In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage user access rights in Odoo. If you need to control what each person in your Odoo system can see and do, this is an important setting to understand. Managing access rights properly helps protect sensitive business data, reduces mistakes, and makes sure each user only has access to the tools they actually need for their role. To get started, open Odoo and go to the Settings app. This is where administrative controls are managed, including user permissions and company-related configuration. Once you're in Settings, look for the Users and Companies menu and then click on Users. This will open the list of user accounts currently available in your system. From there, select the specific user whose permissions you want to update. Clicking their name will open that user's profile where you can review and adjust account details. This is the main area where user level access is managed, so take a moment to make sure you've opened the correct profile before making any changes. Next, scroll down until you find the Access Rights tab. This section is where Odoo organizes permissions by application, making it easy to define what level of access a user should have across different parts of the platform. For each installed application, you'll see a drop-down menu. Use that menu to choose the appropriate permission level for the user. In general, these tiers range from no access at all to full administrative control. Choosing the right level depends on the person's responsibilities, so it's a good idea to be deliberate here rather than assigning broad permissions by default. The options typically include blank or none, which removes access to that app entirely. User with access to their own documents, which is useful when someone should only work on records assigned to them. User with access to all documents, which allows broader visibility and action within that app. And administrator or manager, which gives a higher level of control and is usually best reserved for team leads or system administrators. As you go through each app, match the permission level to the user's actual job needs. This helps keep your system secure and organized while also making the user experience simpler for your team. Finally, set the user type. This determines the overall category of the account and can affect how the user interacts with the system. Be sure this setting aligns with the role the person should have in Odoo. Once you've reviewed the access rights and user type, the user's permissions will reflect the structure you've configured. That's how to manage user access rights in Odoo clearly and effectively.